Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about side-by-side circle views in Tableau. Let's get started. Side-by-side circle view is a variant of the circle view. In my previous video, I have already explained about circle view in Tableau. This is an extension of it. Side-by-side circle view allows you to add more measures to be compared next to each other for a deeper analysis. To examine the side-by-side circle view, let's take a scenario related to retail company and use our visualizations to conduct an analysis. Let's get started and let me open Tableau application. I've opened the Tableau application. This is a Tableau public application. As usual, I've taken sample superstore data and my scenario is like this. I have a retail company named XYZ. Now I want to see the profit across different regions. So I'm taking region dimension and placing it in the column shelf, and again I'm going to take profit and dropping it in the row shelf. Now the circle view is created, and at a glance you can understand central is not doing well. I mean the profit is less and the west region has the more profit. To differentiate the regions, I am adding the region to the color mark. So now you can easily differentiate which region has the highest profit and which region has the least profit. So for now we have central has the least profit and west has the highest profit. Now I want to get much more deeper analysis, so I'm going to create side by side circle chart. So I'm duplicating the same sheet, naming it as side by side circle chart. Now that we have a circle chart ready, I'm going to create a side by side circle view by breaking it down to a state level. So I'm taking state dimension and dropping it to the column shelf. Now we have all the states and side by side circle chart is ready. Now to make the comparison much more easy, I am removing region from the color shelf and adding profit to the color mark. So this way we can easily compare all the states in the central region, east, south, west, all regions. We can compare all these regions with each other and which state has the least profit and which state is having the highest profit. So at a glance we can figure out that the highest profit in east is recorded for New York and the least profit is recorded for Texas in central region. So this way we can use this visualization, we can use side by side circle chart to compare multiple measures and dimensions and get the deeper analysis. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmiles 31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better, and if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.